Meaning of immaturity.
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 Immaturity. Immaturity refers to a state of being underdeveloped or lacking in the qualities necessary for responsible behavior. Individuals who are immature may display a lack of emotional regulation, impulse control, and decision-making abilities. This can lead to behavior that is self-centered, irresponsible, and potentially harmful to themselves or others. Immaturity can also manifest as a lack of experience, knowledge, or skill in certain areas. It is typically associated with youth, but individuals of any age can display immature behavior. Overall, immaturity can hinder personal growth and hinder one's ability to navigate life's challenges effectively.